how to add shadow to text in Figma. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add shadow to text in Figma. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to add drop shadow to text, all you have to do is just click on the text layer. Now go to effects and click on it. You should have drop shadow by default. If it's not there, you can just go on the drop down and select it. Now all you have to do is click on this effect setting button. Here you have X, Y, spread and blur. I don't think you're able to use the spread on text, only on shapes. So X basically moves the shadow vertically and Y moves it horizontally. Blur adjusts the spread of the shadow. If you click on the color, you can obviously change it and also change the opacity of the shadow right here. So that's how you add shadows and how you make adjustments to the settings in Figma. So that's basically how you can add shadow to text in Figma. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.